Namaskar and good morning. I hope you are happy and also healthy. Today we start exercise 4.2. In this exercise, we know how to find the roots of quadratic equation by using factorization method. Okay. Now the first first question is find the roots of the following quadratic equations. By factorization. First question, x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now solution. On the first question is x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now here a is equal to a is the coefficient of x square. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 10. Okay. Now we broke the middle part in two parts such that the difference of two number is minus 3 and multiply is also minus 10. So if we write this in minus 5x plus 2x, then we get minus 3x. Okay. When we multiply minus 5 into 2, then we get minus 10. So this is a correct part. Okay. Implies the x is common, so x minus 5 plus 2 is common, so x minus 2 5 ja 10 is equal to 0. Again x minus 5 is common, then we get x plus 2 is equal to 0. Implies x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. Implies x is equal to minus 5 go to the other side plus 5 and plus 2 go to the other side is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 2. Hence the roots are five and minus 2. Okay. The second question is 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. X square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. In this equation, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 6. When a is greater than 1, then we multiply a and c. So when we multiply 2 into minus 6, then you get minus 12. Now again we broke the second middle part, that the difference is 1 and multiplication of the number is minus 12. So we write 4 3 is 12 and difference of 4 and 3 is also 1. So we write here 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0 plus 2x common, then we get x plus 2 2 ja 4 minus 3 is common, then x 3 2 ja plus minus common, so this the symbol of minus 6 is also plus, so 3 2 ja 6 2 is equal to 0. Implies x plus 2 common, then we get 2x minus 3. Here 2x and here minus 3 is equal to 0. Implies x plus 2 is equal to 0, or 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Implies x is equal to plus 2 go to the other side, minus 2, and minus 3 go to the other side, plus 3, multiplication 2 go to the other side, this is the form of divide. So x is equal to 3 by 2. Hence the roots are minus 2 and 3 by 2. Now the third question is root under 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Root under 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to root under 2, b is equal to 7, and c is equal to 5 root 2. So this is also a is also root 2. So we multiply root 2 and 5 root 2. The 2 is multiplied by 5 root, then we get 5 to root 2 into 2, 2, 5 to is 10. So we here write root 2x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Now root 2x is common, then you get x plus 2 into 2 is the multiplication of root 2 into root 2. Okay, so we write here root 2 is common and x is common, then rest root under 2 plus in this term we get common 5, then we get x plus root 2, that is equal to 0. Implies x plus root 2 is common, then we get root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Implies x plus root 2 is equal to 0, or root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Implies x is equal to minus root 2, or x is equal to minus 5 by root 2. Hence the roots are minus root 2 and minus 5 by root 2. That is our answer. Now the fourth question is 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. Now in this equation, first of all we taking a LCM and we add and subtract just like a fraction. Okay, so 8 is LCM, 2 8 is 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now it go to the other side. This is in this side, this is the position to divide, so the other side go to gone to 0 into 8, that is equal to 0. So we write here 16x square minus 8x plus 1, that is equal to 0. Now 16 1 is 16. So we write here 4 4 is 16. It means that 16x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Implies 4x common, then 4x minus 1 is common, then 4x minus also 1. Because minus is common, then the symbol of plus 1 is equal to is change. Again 4x minus 1 into 4x minus 1. 4x minus 1 is common, then 4x here minus 1, that is equal to 0. Implies 4x minus 1 is equal to 0 or 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Implies x is equal to 1 by 4. X is equal to also 1 by 4. Hence, roots are 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Answer. Now the question number 5. Question number 5 is 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now 100 into 1 is equal to 100. So we 100 is divided into two parts of multiplication to add getting 20. So this is a simple 10 into 10 is equal to 20. So we write here 100x square minus 10x plus 1 is equal to 0. Implies 10x common, then you get 10x minus 1 is common, then 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. Implies 10x minus 1 is common, then we get 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. Implies 10x minus 1 is equal to 0 or 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. Implies x is equal to 1 by 10 or x is equal to 1 by 10. Hence, the roots are 1 by 10 and 1 by 10. That is our answer. Now, question number 2. Now, question number 2 says, solve the problems given in example 1. In example 1, and there are two questions, okay? Now, the first question is, John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. We would like to find out how many marbles they have to start with. We have to find how many marbles in a starting John have and also Jivanti has. Okay. So first we let anyone the number of marble anyone has the number of marbles is x. Okay. Solution. Let the number of marbles John had be x. Then the number of marbles Jivanti had we suppose that together have 45 together have 45 marbles, one have had x marble, then other had, that is the 45 minus x. Okay, 45 minus x. Okay, because suppose there are two friends and one friends and together have 10 fruits. Okay, one friends have 2 fruits, then other friend is 8 fruits. How can I get 8? By substituting 10 minus 2 we get 8. Similarly, together had 45 marbles. So one had x marble, then other had 45 minus x. Okay. Now, according to the question, the question said both of them lost 5 marbles. Then we get the product of this marble is 124. Then get the product of the number of marbles 124. So first John had a x marble, so we lost 5 marble, then that is x minus 5 multiply by Jivanti had a 45 minus x marble, then this she also lost 5 marble, so 45 minus x minus lost 5 marble minus 5, that is equal to 124. Okay, implies x minus 5 into 45 minus 5 is equal to 40 minus x is equal to 124. Now we multiply 40 minus x, first 40 minus x by x, then we get 40x minus x square. Again minus 40 minus x multiply by minus 5, then we get minus 5 for the 200 minus minus plus 5x 124 goes to the minus 124, that is equal to 0. Now when you that is the minus x square. Okay, 40x plus x is, that is 45x minus 200 and minus 124, that is equal to minus 324, that is equal to 0. Okay, now we multiply minus 1 by minus multiply this equation by minus 1. Okay, then we get x square minus 45x minus plus 324 is equal to 0. You multiply minus 1 x square into minus 1, that is x square, 45x into minus 1, that is minus 45x, 324 minus 324 multiply by minus 1, that is get that is equal to 300 plus 324. Okay, now you do 324 in a is equal to 1, so multiply 1 into 324, that is we get 324. So we divide 324 in the product, just this product is, when we add the number then we get 45. So this is the number 36 and 9. So minus 36x minus 9x, that is equal to 45, and multiply 36 into 9, that we get 324. Okay, so we write here x square minus 36x minus 9x plus 324 is equal to 0. Now x is common, then ax minus 36 minus 9 is common, then ax minus 36 is equal to 0. Now x minus 36 is common, then ax minus 9 is equal to 0. Implies ax minus 36 is equal to 0 or x minus 9 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 36 or x is equal to 9. Now, if x is equal to 36, then (45 minus x is equal to 45 minus 36 is equal to 9. If x is equal to 9, then 45 minus x is equal to 45 minus 9 is equal to 36. Now, we getting the same number. Here x 36 and 9, here x 36, 9, x 9, then we get 36. It means that if John had 36 marble, then Jayanthy had 9 marble. If John had 9 marbles, then Jayanthy had 36 marbles. Okay, so we write here, hence number of marbles they had to start with 9 and 36. Okay, that's all. Thank you. The rest question is solved in next video. Okay, good night.